In today's lesson, we're learning Love Me Tender on the piano, super easy to play for 2021. Want to take a deeper dive into today's lesson? Check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. We'll be practicing the melody, first the right hand, then the left hand, then we'll put our hands together. We'll also be adding a few chords to Love Me Tender on the piano, super easy to play for 2021. Before we begin, there's a few things you need to know. We'll be playing the notes in our left hand all the way down to the low C below middle C. In our right hand, we'll be playing up to G above middle C. If you're ready, let's jump into the lesson. There are a few things you need to know when practicing this piece. The first thing is the key signature. Refer to your circle of fifths. In this piece, we are in the key of F major. That means there is one flat, so the B is flatted like this. B flat, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. Let's begin just with our right hand with the melody. So let's begin with our thumb on middle C, right hand. Want to start learning piano right now? Click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? Let's add our left hand with the melody. Let's begin with our left hand. Find middle C and go down to the next octave. You'll be placing your fifth finger on C. All right, let's put our hands together. Now remember, when you're playing with your right hand and your left hand together, sometimes your right hand will have different fingerings than your left hand. Now let's put our hands together. You'll place your thumb on middle C with your right hand, and in your left hand, you'll start with your fifth finger on the C below middle C. Are you ready to up level Love Me Tender? Super easy on the piano for 2021. We're going to add some chords in our left hand. The other thing you need to be aware of is in your left hand, when you play your chords with your melody, the left hand contains whole notes. So for example, in measure 1, this is a whole note. You're going to be holding this note, the F and the A, these two notes, for 4 counts while you play the right hand melody. So be careful of the whole notes and make sure you hold them for their complete value. The second thing you need to be aware of is when you practice this piece hands together with the chords, you need to be aware of the difference between a quarter note, which gets 1 count, as in the main melody like this. But when we get to the G in measure 2, that is a half note and that gets 2 counts. Let's put our hands together with chords. So we'll begin with our right hand, thumb on middle C, and in our left hand, we're actually going to begin with our fifth finger on F below middle C and our third finger on A. And pay careful attention because we are in the key of F major, the B is flatted. am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.